Have you ever wondered why diabetes is often called a silent predator? This metaphor is not a flight of fancy. Rather, it paints a vivid picture of the insidious nature of this chronic disease. Just like a stealthy hunter, diabetes can quietly affect a person's health for years, often undetected until it's too late. So, what exactly is diabetes? In simple terms, it's a condition where the body can't regulate blood sugar levels correctly. There are two dominant types. Type 1, where the body doesn't produce enough insulin, and Type 2, where the body doesn't use insulin properly. Both types can lead to high levels of blood sugar, causing long-term damage to the body's organs and systems. The deceptive part is that diabetes often creeps up on us, silently doing its damage while we remain blissfully unaware. Now that we have a basic understanding of diabetes, let's delve into its symptoms. So, what are the signs that the silent predator might be lurking in your body? Let's delve into the common symptoms of diabetes, a condition that can be deceptively silent until it's reached a critical stage. First on our list is frequent urination. When you have too much glucose in your bloodstream, your kidneys can't keep up and end up producing more urine to try to eliminate the excess sugar. This can lead to numerous trips to the bathroom, even during the night, disrupting your sleep patterns. Next, we have excessive thirst, which is often a consequence of the frequent urination. As your body loses fluid through increased urination, you'll naturally feel more thirsty and find yourself reaching for a glass of water more often than usual. Another telltale symptom of diabetes is unexplained weight loss or gain. When your body can't effectively use the glucose in your bloodstream, it starts burning fat and muscle for energy instead, leading to weight loss. On the other hand, weight gain can occur if insulin resistance is causing your cells to starve for energy, leading your body to store more fat. Feelings of constant fatigue can also be a sign of diabetes. This is because your body isn't effectively using the glucose in your bloodstream for energy, leaving you feeling drained and tired. Blurred vision is another symptom not to be overlooked. High levels of blood sugar can cause the lens in your eye to swell, affecting your ability to see clearly. Slow healing sores and frequent infections are also indicators of diabetes. High blood sugar levels can affect your body's ability to heal and fend off infections, leading to sores that don't heal quickly and frequent bouts of illness. These symptoms may seem common and easily overlooked, often mistaken for other conditions. That's what makes diabetes such a sneaky disease. But remember, just because they're common doesn't mean they're harmless. These symptoms may appear harmless, but they could be signaling a lurking silent predator. Ignoring them might lead to serious complications. Remember, knowledge is your first line of defense against this silent predator. Let's recap the key points about the sneaky symptoms of diabetes. If you find yourself frequently heading to the bathroom or feeling parched despite sipping on water throughout the day, take note. These could be early signs. An unexplained shift in your weight, whether it's a mysterious loss or an unexpected gain, is another red flag. Feeling unusually tired, even after a good night's sleep, that could be your body telling you something's off. Blurred vision is yet another symptom that shouldn't be ignored. And then, there are those slow healing sores and frequent infections, signs that your body's immune system might be compromised. Early detection is vital in managing diabetes effectively, so don't skip those regular checkups. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and keep the silent predator at bay. Here's to being guardians of our health.